the trade down here, a little bit of a late entry, and you want to have your stop loss essentially just above that wick over there, right? And the next place is where you're going to target, right? So realistically, we had obviously the Asian low was our final target, right? Asian low was the final target. However, we had some liquidity in London to sweep, and it was a rangy session towards the end. So if we just continue to play price on, what we can saw is the market did move down in our favor, right? So we can see this. And so what's super interesting is that we can see this as well. We can see the market coming into our level, rejecting our level, and then heading lower. So what does that tell you about this particular area of supply, right? So whether you took a trade here, or whether you took a trade here, or even down here, right? We can see the market paid us along the way. So you want to understand what was going on inside of this level. This was a strong level of supply. Right, this was a strong level of supply. So if we just go back to the Discord and we kind of break this down, so it's a strong area of supply. So a strong area of supply is validated mainly by a couple of things, right? So yes, my trade was slightly lower down. This is a re-entry I didn't take. So what was going on here? One more time to break this down to people was this, right? So this trade obviously trailed my stop loss closer to my target, just fell shy of 60.05 at the time. What was going on is we can see here aggressive sellers are stepping in, aggressive buyers step in, right? These aggressive buyers failed to drive price higher. There were some passive sellers over here which also failed to drive price higher. The aggressive sellers are what determines the market. So if you're interested in learning how to form a trend reversal, how to form a trend exhaustion, just comment below somewhere in this video and I'll be more than happy to help you out.